Hi everybody, this is Dr. Dan Puperi. I'm back to talk a little bit more about our Python summer course. So I'm going to take a little bit of break from Python and just talk about navigating in the Unix or Linux environment. I know I've used a lot of keyboard shortcuts in the videos. I didn't really fully explain them, so in this video I just want to talk about navigating around in Linux. Since we're not going to run Python, I'm just going to go ahead and use the Mac. It's the same thing as if you were using Cygwin on the Windows or if you're just using Linux. But so the first thing you need to know is you can use the up and down arrows to go through your previous command history. And so like if I just type pwd because I want to see where I am, okay, I type list, I want to see the directory, okay, I guess I want to go into my documents directory, right, and now I want to list what's in there, okay, and let's say I want to run Python in here, okay, but now I don't. Okay, now I have a bunch of commands already saved up. Now I can just do the up arrow and down arrow to cycle through those commands. If I want to run those again, I could just bring them up and run them again quickly. So that's one way of being lazy. Okay, one of the other cool features of Unix or Linux is using the escape key to complete keywords. So if I start typing Python and I press escape, it finishes typing for me. So if I'm too lazy to finish that. It does that because it knows that's the only command where those starting letters are Python. So I can also do this for arguments, right? So in this directory I had a couple Python scripts. So I type Python. I want to run my prime script, so I type pr, escape, and it finishes typing primes.pym for me. Okay, so that's pretty cool. But it gets even cooler than that. Let's say I don't really remember, what's in my directory. I want to see. Okay, let's ls, yeah, primes is in there. But let's say I had just a bunch of things in my directory and I didn't know it's in there. Okay, and so if I do ls primes.py, okay, yeah, it's in there. So I did ls primes.py to prove it's in there. And now I can type Python. And if I want to be a little lazy and not have to type primes.py again, I can actually just type escape period. And it types the last argument that I gave it. Okay, and I can actually cycle back through arguments by keep pressing escape period. And so it does ls, it does Python, right? And so you can cycle back through all those commands. Okay, so if I want to run that command, I can just type Python primes py. Of course, I get the error that we have in there because I didn't give an argument. But that's one way you can do it, using that escape period command. Okay, let's say one more thing. Let's say I type Python. I don't remember what the name of my program is. I know it starts with a P. Well, I can type escape $, and it will then list all the things that start with P. So, okay, there it is. It's primes, okay? And now I can type escape and finish. Okay, you can also do it if I type Python and I just want to see everything in there. I don't remember everything in there. I can just hit escape equals, and it shows me all the files in that directory. Okay, and this is really useful for finding commands. So this is pretty lame when I only have a couple files in there, and I probably should know anyway. But if I was looking like in a long directory with some more, like user bin has a lot of files in it, right? So I want a list in user bin. I'm looking for a specific command. So I type escape equals. Okay, there's a lot of commands in there. It's like, are you sure you want to display all 1,000 possibilities? I'm going to say no. But I know the command I'm looking for starts with an A. So now I can do escape equals. And so it'll show me all the things that start with an A. I'm like, I wanted to run awk. So I can finish typing awk. And it will list awk for me. So if it seems like I'm like somehow typing commands really fast, it's just that I've gotten really used to using those escape sequences to find files and do file name completion. And so you can work on them too. So escape does the file name completion. Escape period puts in the last argument you typed, and escape equals lists everything right there while keeping your command. So play around with those and get used to them because it will really help speed things up.